how to connect PlayStation or PS5 account to Marvel Rivals account. I'm going to tell you how you can connect your PS5 account to your Marvel Rivals account. First off, pull up a browser and go to Marvel Rivals website or marvelrivals.com. From here, log into your account by going to the top right and then click on this login button. As you see here, it will give you Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, PS5, or NetEase Games. So I don't have a PlayStation 5, so I am just selecting Steam. But if your goal is PS5, you just have to click on that. And that's how you can easily connect your PlayStation account to your Marvel Rivals.